Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Workday. This is ticker WDAY. Now, Workday and the rest of the software stocks, like everything in IGV, have been holding up really nicely. In fact, software is ripping here. You can see how high we are above that 50-day moving average, just over 11% from the 50-day. But this trend is accelerating. And so I'm looking for WDAY to catch up and come out and play with the rest of the software stocks. And so what I want to see from WDAY is a break above this clear resistance zone right around that 230 level, and see if we can break out above and potentially get to a swing target of 249. That would be a target for a swing trade out of this high base above the 50-day moving average. Again, a lot of these stocks are a bit extended, so we're looking for follow through to the upside. So I think it makes sense to have an alert on Workday right around 230.80 or maybe slightly below, and then take a look at it and look for a high volume breakout above that level. If the stock does break out, we're going to want to see it hold above that level and ideally not come back down and close under that 8-day exponential period moving average. So really quick one here from Workday. Definitely a stock we're watching over at StockMarketMentor.com. So I hope this video is helpful. If you want to see what else we're up to, be sure and click that link. Take a trial. 14 days for only $7. Could be one of the best trades you make this summer. I hope to see you on the other side.